Hey, this is Fred Johnson for the Airaiilimages channel. We found some great B-24 Liberator footage from 8th Air Force missions over Germany and France in April 1944. Take a look at the Liberators.
Target, Brunswick, Germany. On April 8th, Liberators set out for Brunswick, which has been attacked frequently by our Air Force. On this strike, the German Air Force makes its strongest effort at interception so far. Heavy flak is encountered, and 200 single-engine fighters attack aggressively. A Liberator goes down. Finally, a parachute is seen coming out of the plane. The main target is two key aircraft component plants. Brunswick is the site of the Wagam fighter bomber assembly plant, which produces Messerschmitt 110s. The target area is covered by a cloud of smoke. The bombers also encounter a smokeless flak for the first time in this area, which is very accurate. Target, Bourges, France. Formations of Liberators strike at Bourges on April 10th. Enemy fighter opposition is generally weak. 440 tons of bombs are released over the aircraft assembly plant at Bourges. An office building and 9 barracks are destroyed. 3 large workshops are damaged. Hits are scored on the aerodrome installations and the runway. A pillar of smoke marks the target area. Homeward bound, the planes pass over an unidentified French town. Target, Bernburg, Germany. B-24s strike at aircraft factories in Germany on April 11th. 100 of the planes attack the bomber assembly factory at Bernburg. Flak comes up through a heavy overcast. Our fighters furnish cover. 275 tons of bombs are dropped on the target area. Over this target, fighter opposition is determined and strong. Target, Oberpfaffenhofen, Germany, southwest of Munich. 60 Liberators on April 13th again strike at German aircraft production. This time the objective was the Messerschmitt 410 plant. The formations approached the target at high altitude. Enemy fighters attempt interception. A burning engine leaves a trail of smoke across the sky. 150 tons of bombs are dropped on the airfield and installations. Target, Paderborn, Germany. On April 19th, 175 Liberators attack Paderborn. This time, there is no air opposition. 2 airfields at Paderborn and Gütersloh are attacked with good effect.
This is Airailimages. Hit the button and subscribe. You will like how unusual